Why does your scanner show the P090B engine code? What does it mean? P090B is a diagnostic trouble code for clutch B, actuator control, circuit range, or performance. The P090B engine code indicates that PCM or TCM has detected an abnormality in the operation or electrical state of the actuator responsible for engaging and disengaging clutch B. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed clutch actuator. Damaged or corroded wiring. Loose or corroded connectors. Mechanical binding. Low battery voltage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Kia, and Hyundai. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.